How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers full tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. So dive into the world of AI influencers, where virtual personalities are redefining the rules of social media marketing and raking in cash like never before. So here we have, for example, this one and this one too has over 300k of followers. It's powered by AI. So if we scroll down over here, you'll find a lot of pictures, a lot of likes, comments. So you can find this AI influencers is followed by real people and it doesn't exist. So you can create yours and then you can earn money with it. So this is the power of AI influencers. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to do the voiceover, you don't have even to write the script. A lot of AI influencers earns millions of dollars. In this video, I show you how to create one and how to earn money with it. So first step, you need to start um, your video on YouTube using AI influencers is creating your AI character. You, but you don't have actually to create it because here we have hygiene.com. It's an AI based tool that can be used to generate AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and type hygiene.com. And as you can see, we have here two options to get started. So let's go here. As you can see, this is the two options, and here we have use cases, features, resources, company, pricing. It's a lot of options that you can read more about and you will more understand how the website works. So if you scroll down over here, you'll find a video of an AI character explaining a specific topic, and you can use YouTube this AI character to your topics on your YouTube channel. And here we have a lot of AI characters explain various topics. For example, this one for sales outreach, product marketing, and learning and development, content marketing. So this is a lot of topics that you can use to get started with your EI. You can choose another one if you want. Here we have the EI avatar. So this is all the EI character that website has to get started, so you can choose the one you want. Even if you want to modify your AI avatar, you can. So let's get started. All you have to do is click on get started, and then you can enter your email, your verification code, and answer for a few questions. Then you can sign up and it will lead you to this homepage. So as you can see, this is my recent creations that I did because I already have account. And if we scroll down over here, you'll find my hygiene learning guide if you wanna or understand info or have information about the AI studio, how it works, and the video avatar, the same thing for AI voice, and also video translation. If we more scroll down, you'll find templates, so you can choose the one you want. If you want to create a template with an AI character, and then you will modify it, so it's depend on the topic that you want and the template that suits you. And for the videos, you can choose the AI character that you want. So let's go to video avatar and dive into studio avatar to choose our AI character that we can work in it. So this is AI characters that you can choose one and start with. So let's for example select that one. As you can see, this is the description. So this is John in white shirt and distributed. If you want to edit avatar, as I mentioned before, and if you want to get avatar ID, so here we have the if you want to create your video, so you can click on the landscape, and just if you want to start with YouTube videos. So this is our AI character. You can change the place if you want. You can put it on the left, on the right, on the middle, or you can determine the size that you want by zooming. And this is the animation if you want to add effect on enter or add an effect on leave. And this is a lot of options that can help you to edit your video. So let's for example go to script, so you can write the script you want, and if you want to add another one you can too. And here we have pause section if you want to pause a section between these two scripts. So you can make it 3 seconds, maybe less, maybe more. It's depend on how you want your script. And here we have if you want to add a recording, you can just click to start, and then if you want to upload audio. So this is a lot of options that can help you to make your video more professional. So let's for example select that one. If you find difficulties of course on scripting, you can use GPT script writer. It will help you to write yours. And then the translation, if you want to translate your script to a specific language, of course you can by this icon. So for the voices, you can choose the voice you want for your AI character. For example, I already choose male AI character, so of course it will be a male voice. So you can here select the gender and the language too of your voice, the age, if you want a child voice, youth voice, middle age voice, older voice, the function too, so you can adjust your voice. It's depend on how you want it. And this is a lot of types of the voices we have here: natural voice, explainer, ads, audiobooks, e-learning, narration, games. So it's depend on what you want. And this is a lot of options, as I mentioned, can help you to edit your video. So after finish your editing, you can just go over here and click on submit, and then you can download your video and you can publish it on your YouTube channel. So you can start as an affiliate marketing to earn money using this AI character, like impact.com. This is a platform offers affiliate flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently. So by promoting products or services through affiliate partnerships, affiliates can earn commissions. So you can earn commissions using this AI character to promote products or services of something. For example, you choose a brand, so here you're gonna choose after of course signing up a brand, and then you will start promoting their products and services, and then you can earn your commission. So you can earn money using this way, or just you can create a video guide, for example like that one. Using an AI influencer can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience by starting on defining your topic. So you can choose the topic you want. Just make sure the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and the AI influencer. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.